how to customize calendar view on Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's begin by open up the calendar app. Now in here, if you tap on the menu, you can change your calendar view to a yearly view. You can set to a monthly view, or you can set to week or day. So if you choose month, it will be a full month view. If you select a week, it will be 7-day timeline. If you select a day, it will be a detailed hourly view. Or you can choose to view schedule or reminders. For schedule, it will list of upcoming events. Now while you are in a monthly view, if you swipe up, it will list all the events for that particular day down here at the bottom of the screen. You can also change the first day of the week by going to the menu and tap on settings and then tap on first day of the week, and here you can choose Sunday or Monday, Saturday, or use the local default. You can also choose to show or hide certain calendars. So we go back into the menu here, then scroll down and tap on your account, either Samsung or Google account, and tap on a particular calendar to show or hide. You can see there is a checkbox right next to the name of the calendar. By turning off unwanted calendars, you can remove clutter instantly. You can also change the event colors. So tapping on the event here, you can tap on that color icon to change the color of the event, and then tap on save, and there it is. We have now successfully changed the event color. You can also change the color of the calendar as well. So if we go to menu and tap on settings, in calendar settings, we can then manage the calendar. So if I go back in here, I think it's down here, manage calendars, and from here you can change the color of your calendar. So here we've got holidays, tap on that, and we can choose a different color, say blue for holidays in United States. If we go back in here, you can see it will shows blue colors for holidays. Next, we can adjust the event display settings. So go into settings. In calendar settings, we can change the week numbers. We can show or hide the week number. We can choose to show weather forecasts. So we show weather forecast for the next 7 days on your calendar. So you can turn it on. We can turn on week numbers. You can choose to show complete reminders or hide it. And we can choose to show or hide declined events. In here, you can also choose the alert type, light, medium, or strong. So choosing a strong will allow you to select a very long sound for the notification sound. Next, you can change the alert background for your calendar. You can set the default alert times, set the events, all the events, and contacts important dates. In here, you can also change the calendar time zone, as well as turning on or switching off recycling bin for calendar. You can also choose to remove times from titles on your calendar if you switch it on. Other things such as show place names, you can also turn it on. That will use this location, and tapping on labs will allow you to scale writing to calendar size. Okay, so those are the settings that you can change and that will affect the way your calendars appear on the screen. Another thing that you can do is add widgets to the home screen. So touch and hold on the home screen, then tap on widgets. In here, if you scroll down and tap on calendar, here you can choose a countdown calendar, monthly view calendar, today calendar and upcoming events. So here, let's say if I'm going to add this today widget and tap on add, here it will display the monthly view plus event on the right hand side. Touch and hold on the calendar widget, then tap on settings. This will allow you to change the color of the calendar. So you can change the background color, you can make it transparent, you can change the transparency of that widget, and here you can also choose the calendars to show. So in here it's a CMS app, or you can set a custom calendar, so you can pick certain calendars from the list here. And then tap on the back key and then tap on save to save the changes. Here you can choose to turn on the background or don't turn it on. And that's it. So that is how you can customize your calendar on the Galaxy S25 series. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.